so we're just gonna jump right into this unboxing video. I have a Polygel kit I got from Amazon for the low. Do y'all see this price? Like, for the low, okay? We're gonna open this thing up and see what's in it. I will be showing you, of course, all the contents of it, and I'm gonna do little swabs of the Polygel for you guys to see. I will be using this particular kit on my next Polygel set that I do, which would be in about a week or two, so stay tuned for that if you guys want to see me actually use this on my nails. So let's get into this video. I haven't even opened it up yet. Let's see if I can do it with no nails. Oh, there we go. I like the packaging. It is very cute. Alright, so in the back here, it has instructions on the box. It also comes with tips. In this box, we have the natural clear. We have a translucent pink, dark pink, light pink, base coat, top coat, nail gel brush, grit foul, a grit buffer, and dual forms that comes with 60 pieces of your reusable dual forms. Alrighty. Okay, so it's just a regular box. Boop, boop. Alright, and these are the contents of our box. We have our instruction manual. Our dual forms, 5 pieces, 12 sizes. We're gonna open it up in a second. Excuse my undone and crusty looking nails. Relatively dirty there, but don't mind. All right, so this is actually pretty cute. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, and I like this particular set already simply because it tells you what colors each tube is. If you guys see me do my other Polygel videos, you know that they do not have the color on it. This is your top coat, our base coat. All right. It's 1.5 ounces of Polygel in here, which is plenty, especially for 4 colors. This is our dark pink, light pink, translucent pink, and our natural clear. I will probably use the natural clear on my next set. I don't know. It's so many options I want to do. I actually really like these little buffing sticks here. They are awesome. The nail file is decent as well. And you guys already know what this baby is. Alright, so let's see what these Polygel colors look like. So these are the dual forms. I had to go and pull out some scissors. I don't know why I thought that I could just open it up. But I really like the size of them here. I'm just like putting them onto my fingers to size them up a little bit. And these actually fit so much better on all of my nails than the other dual forms that came with my kit. So here I'm just going to show you guys the swatches of the actual Polygel. This one was a little bit hard to see. I was trying to adjust it for you guys, but it came out like really smooth. So I have my next color here for you guys. I don't ever use this end of the tool, but I'm using it for you guys today. This was the translucent pink. The other one was the natural pink. And then this is the other color that I have here. And this is more of the like pink. That darker pink. I actually like these colors. I wish that it came with white, but I already have white, so I'm not tripping too tough. I just need more white polygel. So this is your translucent natural clear. I'm definitely curious to see how clear it's actually going to be on my nails. So those are all of the colors, guys. Alright guys, so overall I like this kit thus far. It is pretty decent from what I can see. I realized, because I did go ahead and actually smell the top and base coat once I put it onto my little swab here. Top coat smells like the usual top coat that I've smelled before, but the base coat actually did have a scent that reminded me just a tad bit of nail polish remover, which I found to be very interesting. But we're gonna see, like I said, when I use this on my nails in my next nail video. I really loved these, and they fit very good. Like, they fit really good. So I haven't used dual forms in a while, as you can see from watching my other videos. I've only done maybe 2 videos using the dual forms, so I think I may go ahead and try these dual forms out when I do my next set. If you guys would like for me to use the dual forms, let me know. If you guys want me to just go ahead and do some tips, let me know in the comments below, please. Because I think I will try these little dual forms out, because they seem to fit really nice, and they don't have a big arch to them here that go on the nail, which causes bubbles in my other set of dual forms. So to get the information on this particular kit, of course, the link will be below in the description. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty. Stay tuned, of course, like I said, for me to use this particular kit on my next polygel set. The set was cheap, guys, and I know the prices are outrageous right now, but this is a really good set. It really is.